Hi everybody, I just want to make an apology which is upcoming in the following video you're about to watch. Unfortunately, something went wrong with my camera, but unfortunately it's not my camera, it's my fault actually. In the time lapse, I was supposed to film video, both either, you might say, the side passage at my mum's place of lawn mowing. So unfortunately, something happened to the camera that I pressed the photo option, not the time-lapse function. Oh well, it's done and dusted anyway, all the mowing, so there is a preview, just a little bit about what I just explained. So it's my fault, I pressed the photo instead of time-lapse. Anyway, while I'm on here, with the intro, special shout out to a person down who is in Victoria in Melbourne. He's apparently, I don't know why, but I want to shout out to Patrick Vincent Stapleton. He's a mower nut fanatic, just like me, because I do some lawnmowers, as you might see. You might even see some here, just over there. Some there, even there's some over there as well, abouts, and we do some lawnmower repairs and like that, so forth. I just only just recently pick up another one off the council cleanup. I can see one just there, so that's in the next video I might put in. So anyway, let's roll the introduction, and thank you for understanding what had happened to that time lapse. Thanks everybody. Good morning everybody. I'm at my mum's place, so we are going to do again a mowing job. So it needs it very badly, as you can see. I'll swing around here, I'll walk around. This is the reason. Pretty bad actually. Down the side mainly, it's all this stupid weed stuff down there. My father was going to fix all that up, but it never eventuated. And have a look at the side passage just here. Yeah, I kill a lot of that stuff off with Roundup and like that at the side of the garage here. So that's the main part I'm now concentrating. Since my father is now passed on, so I've got to looking after two properties, my place and my parents' place as well. So let's not get any time wasted on here, so let's get the job done now. Put you on time lapse and have yourselves a great day. Oh, what a messy one, particularly at the back there and the side passage here, which I've just done. Just whipped some down here. Well, on there I whipped some of the weed down, and I just got to watch myself where my mum's dog was. I just saw one up there. I might go and get the scooper So anyway, yeah, the back did a little bit there off camera. Here we go. Yeah, particularly this one here, she wants me to whip that down. I just kept that plank there. That was a mess one. We had dig out a shrub. Gonna blow, and then I'm gonna pick up with the catcher very shortly. You ought to see the mower I'm gonna be using very shortly. It's a 2-stroke. Whoops, yeah, I almost trod on styrofoam it is. Yeah, all that, it's got to be picked up. And there's another one of my dog's business there. There's all that down there. Yep. Don't want a concrete laundry tub. Smashed my foot on that once. Down at Patonga Beach, New South Wales, on the Central Coast, Brisbane water. Okay, I gotta get cracking. Catch you shortly. This, you'll love this. Fantastic mower. I've done this up only not long ago. I first got this mower off the council cleanup. Oh, when I first got it, it was a ripper. Nothing wrong with it, only the just to replace the spark plug boot. Bob's your uncle. That's only fairly new. Cut my back lawn very good too, and now this one just here, different story. I'm glad I kept this mower, and I think I'm going to keep it for the moment. It was going to be up for sale. I've got another one of the same one, but in a silver one, and also I've got the red one as well, which is a self-propelled. But I am looking for a catcher. If any one of you guys got a spare catcher for a Victa Professional 505 self-propelled, inbox me if you can, or leave a comment on the channel if you can. Anyway, I'm going to do the blowing. I'll catch you shortly. I have to apologise that I didn't video this section here. Anyway, well, as you can see, it's all done. Stupid camera put me in photo mode, and I didn't even know that. what can you do? Anyway, it's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. What can you do? I'm hoping to update the camera to a GoPro 8 or 9, so please bear with me with some of these technology business wise. So anyway, that's all done, and now get out the Tanaka blower. I do apologise everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll do a conclusion shortly. I did not do up there. Anyway, thanks for watching everybody. Catch you on the other, what I may be doing. I might as well put this back up for my mum.